So I'm gonna use today Tata Harper famous glow mask, the resurfacing mask. It's one of the brand best-selling product. It's a glow-giving treatment to do at home. It works in under 20 minutes. It's for anyone that has dull skin, rough skin, that wants to refine their pores. It contains BHA from willow bark, pomegranate enzymes. It's a great weekly treatment, but you can also use it whenever you need that extra boost of glow, whether before an event, a video conference, a photo shoot. I like to use it weekly, and even more now during the spring. It's amazing to really take out all that layer of dead, dry skin that has accumulated during the winter season. So it's a jelly-like texture. It smells good. It works for all skin type. So I scooped a little bit of the jelly in my hand and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. This mask, if you're new to clean beauty or you don't know the Tata Harper brand yet, this mask is a great introduction to the brand and to natural beauty because it works for all skin type. It's very easy to integrate into your current routine. It gives immediate results. And it's a mask for glow. So I guess we're all looking for an extra boost of glow in our skincare routine. So you just apply the product all over your face. You can focus also on areas where you get congestion usually. For me, it's the chin. So after 20 minutes, you're ready to remove the mask. It has all dried out into a very thin layer. I like to remove it by soaking a cotton towel completely in water and then remove the mask. So you soak your cotton towel in water, not too hot, not too cold, and you apply it all over your face to loosen up the mask. So this will loosen up the mask and you start removing all the residue. I like to rinse again and dry after. So voila, I have rinsed and dried my face. After that, you can proceed with your routine. I like to spray some essence, some hydrating essence right after the mask. So I highly encourage you to add this mask to your routine. It's very versatile. It's 100% natural. It's a great instant glow treatment, but also great to smooth and soften your skin texture, to refine pores. Great for the spring and anytime you need a boost of glow and radiance.